Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question at all, drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay. And if you are not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with KNX 1200. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. If you should notice, this has been giving us a sweet movement. Okay, if you have been following up, you will notice that trend trading strategy is actually working out well. Right from here, it gave us an uptrend which came to an end at this point. It didn't start from there, it's actually started from somewhere here. Okay, got to this region and of course went back to break out above this resistance zone, and this has actually got into this region, and right from this resistance region gave us a downtrend signal and it started selling, which came to an end at this point, and right from there it picked up again to buy, and of course guys, it got to a new resistance zone. So this time around it has not been able to break out from that resistance zone, so giving us a downtrend signal. So we open that it's going to sell for long, and if it sells very, if it goes as planned, then we are most likely to get it at this point. Okay, so this is very important. The reason for this is that if you should check it out, it looks like M, right? Okay, this is going to be the last leg of M, so it's going to be a very long selling opportunity. Okay, so now let's check it out. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. GainX 999 has been on uptrend. It was selling before and it got to this support zone. Right from there, it went back up again and it has been buying since then. It has gotten to this resistance zone. Okay, so this particular resistance zone, if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still buying till it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, that is when it's going to sell. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be Penex 1200. Let's check it out. Okay, Penex 1200 has been moving within this support zone and this resistance region majorly, and of course guys, we also have a minor resistance zone around here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, it has tested it several times also. Okay, so you can see it got to the support zone again and it's heading towards this. Okay, if it breaks out above this, then it's going to be going towards it, but if it does not, then it will go back on downtrend and try out this support zone all over again. This is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. That is when it will go back on downtrend. Let's check out Penex 999. This is Penex 999. This had actually been on downtrend for a while. Remember, we traded this particular asset, I think, was it yesterday? And it's been on downtrend for long. Okay, so it tried to pick up on uptrend, but it didn't go too far around here before going back down to break out below this support zone to sell more. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend until if it's unable to break out below the next support region. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on downtrend, got to this support region, tried to go back on uptrend, but it didn't go too far. Okay, this particular asset was the movement was a bit slow yesterday, so it was unable to go really far yesterday, and right from there it tried, I mean, it goes back on downtrend and we expect it to actually get back to this particular spot if possible. Okay, and if it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend, and this time around it will be targeting this resistance region, and if it breaks out above it, then it will give us more opportunity to buy more. But for now, it is still selling. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up right now? And do not forget to follow me right away, okay? And of course, if you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp.